6a. Definition of non-alignment. Non-alignment refers to the neutrality or independence of policy and action in international affairs. B. Founder leaders of the non-aligned movement: Jawaharlal Nehru of India, Sukarno of Indonesia, Marshal Tito of Yugoslavia, Gamal Nasser of Egypt, Choi of China. Reasons for the rise of NAM. The newly independent nations did not wish to join power blocs of the USA and the USSR. The members needed cooperation to ensure peace and save the world from another war. This approach would enable members to get maximum aid from both blocs for economic growth. Alliance with any bloc meant preparation for war, which they were not ready for them. They wanted to establish their distinct identity in world politics as they formed their own Afro-Asia bloc. Being non-aligned was a clear indication that they were free from colonialism. Aims of the non-aligned movement: to fight for decolonization of developing nations, to work for disarmament of superpowers, to safeguard the sovereignty of the member states, to promote economic independence of member countries with the aim of discouraging neocolonialism, to fight racism, to promote neutrality among members, to discourage military alliances advocated by the superpowers, to give them an identity to speak with one voice in the United Nations programs, to pursue an independent policy of peaceful coexistence, to make funds available for improvement of agriculture to ensure increased food production, to establish a new economic world order to ensure favorable terms of trade. Achievements of the non-aligned movement since 1955. Member states safeguarded their national security and territorial integrity. It has helped in decolonization of some states. The Afro-Asian bloc gave them a common voice in international forums. It helped in the relaxation of international tension. It enabled members to put their national interests before those of the power bloc. It promoted discernment. NAM worked towards the creation of the new international economic order through trade. NAM set up a special solidarity fund that has given financial assistance to frontline states. NAM has worked to create the new scientific and technological order. Problems that NAM has faced: it lacks an army or an executive machinery to implement its decisions. Political instability has affected its performance. Its large size of 116 members has been affected by ideological differences, as some of the capitalists, while others are socialists. Border disputes have affected them. It lacks funds as member countries are poor. Members put their national interests first. NAM member states are also members of other organizations such as the UN, African Union, and the Commonwealth of Nations. Personality differences among the leaders affected its performance. After the break of the USSR, the end of the Cold War, NAM appeared destabilized and irrelevant. 8a. Definition of the Cold War. Cold War refers to the hostility or struggle between the communist nations led by the Soviet Union and the capitalist nation led by the United States of America between 1945 and 1990. Causes of the Cold War. The USA and the USSR wanted to spread their ideologies, namely capitalism and communism respectively. The arms race involving the superpowers created hostility. Formation of military alliances created tension. World War II destroyed economies of the world, and the USA adopted a measure to give financial assistance to the devastated countries through the Marshall Plan. In response, the Soviet Union too formed an economic plan for Eastern Europe, the Council for Mutual Economic Assistance, that is the CAMCON, an equivalent of the Marshall Plan. Military support given to the opponent's enemies was another source of hostility. The superpowers had differences over Germany. Western alliances wanted a strong Germany to assist in the economic prosperity of other Western Europe nations such as Switzerland and Netherlands. However, the Soviet Union wanted a political and economic weak Germany to prevent another invasion. The use of USSR veto in the United Nations upset the USA. Weapons of the Cold War: propaganda, economic sanctions, financial aid to the enemies of the opposite side, military support to the allies of the enemy. 9A. Steps to ease the Cold War. The superpowers adopted measures to relax tension between them. This is termed delinquent. Challenges encountered by the OAU till 2002. Many member states were affected by the instability due to military overthrow or other political problems. Many member states quarreled over